Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to disable the family filter on Zedge. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account in my Zedge application. In case you have not, do log in right now. At the top left, here are these three lines. Simply click on it, and something like this will pop up. Our main idea right now is simply to disable family filter. To do that, what we need to do is simply go to settings. Do note that you can also upload contents. There's something like games, ringtones and everything. You can look at that as well. But our main focus, disabling family filter. So let's go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, something like this will open up. Well, right here as you can see, there's phone settings, push notifications and finally family filter. As you can see, it's enabled right now. But we want to disable it. Let's simply toggle off this button. And guys, there you go. The family filter has been disabled. It's quite easy to disable family filter in the Zedge application. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.